everyone, my name is Rashmi Kane, registered massage therapist, and thanks for tuning in to A Kane on Pain. Today we're going to be talking about plantar fasciitis. So essentially what that means is that you're having pain, discomfort at the bottom of your foot. Most likely you're having most of the discomfort first thing in the morning, your first few steps out of bed. Usually the pain is right in the middle of your arches, because the plantar surface, these muscles, they're attached from the base of the toes all the way down to the heel, the calcaneus. So what's happening is that these muscles have shortened, they've tightened, and now maybe you're not feeling it right in the middle of your arch, maybe you're feeling it in through the heel more. Either way, the muscle is shortening and is pulling on your heel, and that's why you're possibly feeling the pain there. So great things to do is we're going to teach you how to ice your foot, and we're going to teach you how to stretch it, and then lastly we're going to teach you how to self-massage it. So initially, if the pain is so intense that it feels like it's on fire, we're going to stretch first and then ice, because stretching is not going to be as effective if you're doing it on cold muscles. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to stretch. A great stretch for it would be to get down onto the floor, to lean your weight back and start to sit up as much as you can. If you're looking at me and that's a little bit too intense, don't worry, lean forward more, have a chair, have something to support, to take it back as far as you can go. And try to even tuck in your pinky toes. Sometimes our pinkies are a little bit smaller, so you want to have them all tucked in. And ideally trying to bring the heels in. Okay, that would be the goal. Not to have, you're out too much, it's not going to be as effective. So you want to have the heels coming inwards. And stay, hold, breathe, calm faces. You don't want to be, if it's too much, you have to back it up, go forward a little bit more until you can work up to the way I'm sitting, nice and tall, because I don't have to have plantar fasciitis. Then you're going to try icing it. So the best way to ice is to get a water bottle and simply freeze it. Okay, it's great. This one here, which I prefer, is a little bit ribbed. It's kind of got some bumps to it. So as much pressure as you can, you're going to roll it back and forth on your foot, working all the way back through the heel and coming back. You can also do this sitting down if that's more accessible for you. You could, if both your feet are hurting you, of course, you could have two and get them both going. So always when we're icing, you're going to feel 4 stages: cold, burning, aching, numbness. The moment you feel numbness, please, oh please, remove the ice. Frostbite can and will occur. So once the area gets to numb, you remove it, let the foot come back to its normal temperature, and then you can repeat. Ideally, you want to be doing this 3-4 times a day, lots and lots, especially if you're feeling like your foot is, it's on fire. If you're not feeling like the pain is that intense, maybe you're more in the chronic stage or you're treating the problem before it becomes really acute, you can do massages with it. So I have here yoga tune-up balls. They usually come, or they do come, 2 in a little mesh baggie. So I removed one, and you're going to put it under your foot, and you can stand and massage. You can shift more weight on it. See, I have all my weight on it. I'm supporting myself with the chair so I don't lose my balance. And as much as you can, you're going to work all here on the inside arches of my foot. It feels really, really good. You can work it all the way up to the ball of your foot. And that feels great. So I hope that helps. That's everything I have for you today on plantar fasciitis. Also, check out my other video on stretching your calves. The two are usually connected because the calf muscle is making up the Achilles tendon, also attaching onto the heel. So the heel is most likely feeling pressure coming on both ends of it. So check out my stretching video on calves, and I hope it makes a difference. Rashmi Kane.